me, Nori, and today I'm going to be showing you my current favorites, and I feel like I haven't done a favorites video in a really long time, but it's just like a mumbo jumbo of a bunch of different things like beauty related, food, books, whatever, just a bunch of stuff. Also, we recently hit 17K subscribers, which is so crazy and amazing, so thank you guys so much for subscribing, and yeah, let's get right into it. So the first thing I wanted to show you was this electronic face brush. And it's called the Radiant Skincare System, and I got it sent to me by the brand Duval, and they wanted me to review it. I'm not being paid to say anything. It's going to be an honest review. It just like has a brush, and there's three different ones. So there's exfoliation and pumice as well. This is just the face one, but I haven't used those two yet, but I do like the face one.
Okay, so here's a little show and tell. I've been using it for a couple months to try it out, and I've been removing my makeup with a makeup wipe first, and this definitely doesn't get out everything. So then I go in with the Duval brush, and I wet my face and the brush like a toothbrush, and then I put on a Perlice makeup removing 4-in-1 cleanser, and then I go all over my face, and this definitely deep cleans and removes the rest of the makeup. There's surprisingly a lot left, and it just goes through and makes it cleaner. I definitely feel like my face is way cleaner than just like rubbing my face with my hands. This just has one setting, so I would recommend it for a little bit of stronger skin. But yeah, so it just deep cleans, and I look crazy, but it's because I can't see. I have no contacts in. And then this is just me washing it pretty roughly and just showing you that it's waterproof, which I think is pretty cool. I'm just bathing it.
And they have a code that's like 75% off, and all the links down below, which I'll show you. It's pretty inexpensive, and I'll just link those down below. They're not affiliate. Also, guys, if you're wondering, this is a totally fake nose piercing. I just wanted to put it on. I don't know. I want to move on to some books. I have two books right now. So the first one is this Milk and Vine book. You've already probably heard about this, but it's basically just a bunch of vines on a book. And it's kind of like a parody of the Milk and Honey by Rupi Kaur. I don't know how to say it. Right here.
Two bros chilling in the hot tub, 5 feet apart because I'm not gay.
There's just some really great drawings right there. And it's pretty funny, so if you like vines, you would like these. But it's really simple. It's so cheap. It's like $3. And you probably will find vines that you like. A potato flew around my room before you came. Excuse me. And then another one that I've been reading. I'm not finished with it yet. I'm only like this far. But this is The Life-Changing Magic of Tidying Up by Marie Kondo. So basically, this is a Japanese woman that you probably already heard of this too. This is like really popular. It's the #1 New York Times bestseller, and it just helps you tidy up and stuff and declutter. And I think this has helped a lot of people. So I've been reading it, and I'm really excited to start doing a decluttering series because my room is a mess right now. I need to clean my closet and room, so I'm gonna do separate videos for that. You guys should check it out. Yeah, it basically teaches you to tidy better and just clean, I guess. But yeah, I'll link both books down below, and you guys can check it out. Next thing is a makeup item. So I got this Rimmel 16-Hour Provocalips Kiss Proof Lip Color in Wish Upon a Berry. And I have it on my lips right now, and this is amazing. This is amazing because watch, hold on. It kind of came off a little bit, I guess. But mostly clear. But yeah, it's really cool, and you can drink and eat and stuff, and it doesn't come off that much. And you basically do this side and then this side, and it locks it in for so long. But don't put on too much because then it gets all crusty and then flecks come off. But I've been really liking that, and that's the only one I've been using. Next thing I've been loving is this, which was in my after Christmas sale haul for the Bath & Body Works semi-annual sale, but this is the Coconut Mint Drop Fine Fragrance Mist, and I've been loving this. It smells so freaking good, but a lot of people have been telling me to smell good when I have this on, so yeah, it smells really good, and I love it. Yeah! And this is going to last me a whole lifetime. I never finished all of these bottles because they're too much. Next thing is another Bath & Body Works item. I went to the semi-annual sale like several times and it's been different every time. So I went again and I got the Winter Candy Apple Shower Gel because I've been wanting a new shower gel. But this stuff smells so good. And I like it because it lasts a little bit longer than all my other ones. Oh my god, my neighbor just came by right as I'm like just sitting here out, like just like looking out the window. I'm like, I look like such a freak, like. That was so embarrassing. Anyways, the next thing I want to show you is this, which is a safety razor. And if you might be wondering what that is, it's like basically a razor, but I don't know, it's like more sustainable, I guess. It's more environmentally friendly. And basically, I've been watching this YouTuber called Shell Bizzle. I'll link her channel down below, but she's all about like environmentalism and being better for the environment, and she was talking about the safety razors, so I decided to get one myself. And they don't have the exact same one that I have now, but I'll just link some other ones down below that are really good. But this is basically just like a razor, but it lasts longer, and you just change the blades, and you don't have to like keep disposing and buying new ones like those, like just those pink plasticky ones. But yeah, so this also gets like a closer shave than normal ones, so I think this is really, really handy, and I really like it. It's really, I don't know, it's just a razor. I don't even know what to say. And then going along with that is this. You're like, what the heck is that? It's basically 4 cloth pads. So this is also another part of like environmental, better for the environment stuff. So I haven't just been exclusively using this. I've been using this alongside like tampons or like just on days when I don't want to use like a normal pad because you don't really need it. But I just use this on like lighter days. So it just came with 4 different pads I got from Amazon. And obviously these are clean, but they have like little patterns on them. And they're like normal pads, but they're reusable if you just keep like washing them and cleaning them. And it's better for the environment because obviously you're not throwing away a bunch of pads. But yeah, so I've been liking this one. I just use it with like tampons and then on light days because I don't recommend using it on really heavy days because it's not gonna work as well. But yeah, so I've been really liking these. It comes with 4 and it's just better for the environment. I'm just trying to be a little bit better for the environment. I'm not very good at it, but I'm trying. And then I have this, which is the Nair Hair Remover Lotion with rich cocoa butter and vitamin E. If you don't know what Nair is, it's just like, I don't know how to describe it, but it's like kind of chemical stuff that you put on hair and then it removes it. It's really crazy. But I like this way better than the face one I got. I got Nair face stuff like for my like upper lip mustache. But yeah, that one really burns, but this one I really, really like. You can use it on your legs and stuff, and it's really easy. You just put it on for a few minutes and then wipe it off, and then your hair comes off with it. It's wild. It's wild. You have to check it out. But I really, really like this, and my friend Victoria was talking about it, so I got it and tried it myself, and I've been really, really enjoying it. And then I've been really liking the Mario Badescu's facial spray. I've talked about the rose spray before. I really like that one, but I've also been liking this one, which is the aloe, cucumber, and green tea one. And it looks like this. It's just green, and I just love just spraying it on whenever. Like, it's so refreshing. It's not gonna cure your acne or anything. It's just really nice, and it keeps your skin smooth and more like supple. I don't know. That word kind of grosses me out. Sounds weird. I don't know, like hydrated. But it's really, really nice, and I just love spraying it on top of anything. Like, even if you have makeup on, just put it on. It's so refreshing, and I love it. Also, if you're wondering, those are like prizes I've won from claw machines because I'm obsessed with crane games. Anyways, that is all for the things I've been really liking. As I said, everything will be linked down below so you can check it out if I can find the link. But yeah, make sure to leave a like and comment and subscribe if you want to watch more videos because I post weekly. And yeah, I think my next few videos are going to be like decluttering stuff, blah, 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 blah. Yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye!
Drop top Porsche, rolling money, can't tell me